Check it carefully. Copy, come to here. Now this time what happened? It is stored into a file. What is the file? emp.xml ante. Where is the cursor? Execute. Yes, executed. Check the current working directory. Am I getting any XML file? Idigondi emp. Open it. Idigondi total data XML format. So JSON, XML, YAML, all are. Sir, JSON lo kavali. What to do? JSON file. You have to give dot. Mari format is required, not required. Required. Not required. By default, it is what it is. JSON only. Remove the nonsense. Now give this one. Copy. Come here. Paste it. Wow. Created. Check it. emp.json. All the details came. This is the way, sir. ఇవి 6 ways. Sir, itla file lo kaakunda ikkade if I want to check that data means here itself only. There is another command is there. Type emp.xml. Am I getting data? Adi kavalante type emp.json ante that file data. Instead of go to that one, see direct command idigonde type, because emp.xml I created. In the console I want to see this is the command. Which data? Type is a command here. Command to display the data available in XML file. Type is the command. CMD command. It is a. No. Total data in emp.xml file. Whatever data is there, because this data is available, not available. This total data will be displayed through command prompt by using type function. No, yeah, that is in Python. In Python, if you type, that is the command line, command prompt command, na? MS-DOS commands, these are all. In Python, type means it is displaying what type of data available. That is the different story. This is the different story. Sir, it's going to that's why it's going to type. What I'm asking? And what is the meaning? Babu, in emp.json, whatever data is there, that data can display in the console. That is the meaning of type. Now total data will be displayed. Into the type and argument conversion kaadu, just display. Whatever format is there, that data you can display. Whatever file I am given, inside whatever content is there, display. That is the meaning. Ipudu select star from emp anna. What is the meaning? EMP lo data display. Same ante type EMP file. Inside file, whatever content is there, that you have to display. That is the meaning. Sir, completed the story. This one. How to dump data to the file. These are all the ways. Yeah. అది వాళ్ళని అడగాలి, కనుక్కున్నోళ్ళని. ఇది ఏంటిది? రిమెంబర్, నువ్వు చెప్పేదానికి దీనికి సంబంధం లేదు. డంప్స్, లోడ్స్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? అసలు దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? వీఆర్ కన్వర్టింగ్ పైథాన్ డిక్షనరీ టు జేసన్ డిక్షనరీ. అసలు ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి? కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్, కమాండ్ లైన్ కమాండ్స్, ఇవన్నీ పైథాన్ రిలేటెడ్ కమాండ్స్. రిమెంబర్, what is the meaning of py manage.py? I am running one Python file and I am passing some command. Even Python commands, you don't compare with JSON. Okay, na? So now, sir, CRUD operations, we completed one thing. What it is? Get completed. Get means we have to get a single record or get all records. Both are explained in view. MPJSON not required, close. ఇదిగోండి both are explained. Detailed CBV and list CBV. Next, take care about second command. What is the second command? What is the meaning of post? Post and update antavu. We have to create ante one new record I want to insert. Already 4 records are there. Now I want to insert another record Mahesh. So I want to create a record. Then I need to go to post. What to do? Go to the partner application. Sir, have you remembered first example? Already we discussed CRUD operations, get to, post to, everything. Inside I'm using just a print statement. This is from get method. This is from post method. This is so and so method. I'm calling in partner application. If I'm calling get, it is calling get method. Where it is, I will show. Not yesterday. Day before yesterday, na? Where installation, records inserted, dumps, loads, yeah. Here, endpoint, CBV, first get command, I displayed. This is on get method. Now check it carefully. Yeah. Remember this example? Get syntax, post syntax, put, delete. How I'm calling this one? Get to post in test.py. If I'm using get method, it is calling. Post means post, put means put. Okay, na? Same concept. Come to the partner application. Sir, get resource, get all. Now, remove all these nonsense. Create a function. What is the function? Def. Create underscore resource. Understand? I'm creating one method. What I want to create? New employee. How to create employee information? By using a dictionary. Create employee number colon Mahesh, comma, employee name colon, sorry, employee number 500 Mahesh. Mahesh వద్దులేండి, కలిసి రాదు. మల్లిక, ఎంప్లాయీ salary 20,000, employee address. Sir, what to do next? Create resource is a one method. I created one dictionary. Once a dictionary is created, I want to send this one. What it is? Response. Response equal to request dot. Which method you want to call? Post method. Post method. Post method. Yes. Once you're calling post method, what is the URL? Base URL plus endpoint plus what is your data? New EMP. Yes sir, no. That response I have to send. Employee number, yeah, 500. Yes, remove. Sir, now chudandi, response request dot post and I'm sending one data, base URL, endpoint new. Is it correct? Yes sir, no. That response you have to send. Every time I'm taking HTTP response, I'm sending that one. Okay, but problem is, what is the type of new EMP? Dictionary. But you have to send JSON. Yeah. What to do? JSON dot dumps of new employee. Ante from the partner application, I am sending one record. Sir, JSON unda? Sir, JSON unda? Leduga. Import JSON. Yes. Once a response is I can provided. Just your understandable purpose. Print response status code. I'm printing. Next, print response dot JSON. Completed. Now call this method. What is the method name? Create underscore resource. So, sir, whenever I'm calling this one, it will goes to where? Django server. But Django server, which method is there? Get method is there. You have to write which method? Post. What is the post method syntax? You go check it. Post method syntax is the post, self, request, arguments. This is the content. Yes, sir, no? Same. Take this one. First, I'm not writing any logic. Just that message printing, not printing, I am checking. Ante, am I in a position to call the post method or not by using partner application? Once it is okay, then I will write Django code. How to save the data to the database. Now save this. Sir, ikkada observe carefully. JSON data dumps required. Return HTTP. Sir, this one already available there. Where? This class. So copy. Mixins class. Don't write every time. Remove. What I want to use? Self dot. What is the method? Render to HTTP response. Instead, what I can pass? JSON data. Completed. Now, observe. I am running partner application. I am calling this method. Automatically, which method I am calling? Post method. It is coming to here. If it is printed, my program success. Then I will write the logic. I will remove that line. I will write total logic. How to add the dictionary? Where? Yeah, if any problem came, then we will. Yes, if any problem came, compulsory we can comment it. Now, first to send the request. Also, first to see server. Yes, my server is very innocent running. Now, send the request. Py. Sir, py test dot py. Getting error. Go to the server. Return. Yeah, where? Sir, where am I missing? Yeah, thank you. Yes. Server started. Nalli again 404. 404 ante client side ante mande mistake. Not found, it is showing. Ante mande mistake somewhere else. Check it. HTTP response mix in self request args JSON dumps message return test.py create resource new employee number 500 Mallika esal address response request dot post base URL Yeah, I want to give some variable data equal to JSON data. I'm not sending data. That is the reason. No, no, no. Yes, yes. Base URL plus endpoint plus data equal to sounds or data I can provide it there. Where URL? 1 minute. Yes, syntax expression cannot contain assignment equal to. కాదు separate line. Base URL plus endpoint. Sorry, sir. Comma data I am passing. Once data passing, base or individual. I am converting record data. I'm calling function. Data equal to JSON dump the pass. Yes, base plus send plus data. URL ఎందుకు అవసరం లేదు కదా 1 minute. Start the server 1 second. Then breakout la server. Yeah. Manage.py run server. No, no. Another error came. Yeah. Now came. What it is? CSRF token. Where? Here. Expecting line to column 1. So if you're not getting server, you can check the server telling clear idea. What they're telling? Forbidden CSRF token. Wait. That is I'm telling now. Once you are getting error, read this server. It is asking CSRF because middleware. But middleware is there now, predefined. That's why you can stop that middleware. Because see, once I'm sending request, directly it won't goes to the server. Majula middleware is there or not? That is the reason. Yes, you have to stop that middleware. Sir, 1 minute. Code kavalga meeku 1 minute. No, how to post? First, what I did? Test.py. On test.py, create a method. This method. Next to views.py. Where? Here, create post method. Once I run this, sir, wait. Once I run the partner application, I'm getting this error. If you're not getting it, go to server side. You are getting this error. What they are telling? Babu CSRF token, you have to stop that. Sir, how to disable the CSRF? Sir, but production server, we never stop it. Just here, just example purpose, I am stopping. Real time, we never stop it. Just what I'm telling is, I'm just testing, I'm inserting data. That's why temporarily I am disabling. Real time, we never. But how to disable? How to disable CSRF token? 3 ways are there. How to disable the CSR. One is what it is? Method level. Method or function level. A particular method I want to stop. I can stop it. Second one is class level. Entire class, all methods. Third one is what it is? Project level. So total project level means simple. You can go to settings.py, you can disable. Then entire project, it is not applicable. First one, I want to go with method level. How to use the method level means observe. Sir, there is some import is required. That import is check it from Django. Yes. Dot views inside decorators. Inside decorators. Chundi. What it is? CSRF inside import. What it is? CSRF exempt. This import is required. Cut it. Just understand, because I'm written. Suggestions are coming. That you have to import it. Sir, which method you want to add the decorator? What is the decorator name? Then you can add this decorator to the function. Which method? That function. Def. Suppose this is my function, my view. Then for this method, it is disabling the CSRF. This is the first way. Class level kavali. Entire class I don't want. Second, class level. How to disable. So take this one first to CSRF exempt. Sorry, this one. This is I am importing. Okay. Another import is there. Check it. From Django dot same views dot decorators dot CSRF import. CSRF exempt already came kada, inkoటి ఉండాలి. CSRF already imported. ఇంకో ఇంపోర్ట్ ఏదో ఉంది. Utils dot decorators import method underscore decorator. ఈ two imports you can import it. Now you have to add which one? Method decorator @ method decorator. You can provide it there. Inside what I'm given? CSRF exempt, comma, name equal to I can provide it dispatch. This decorator you can use. What is the class name? Employee list CBV class. Apply this one. Then entire class it will be disabled, sir. Simple jondi, it is one decorator, method underscore decorator. CSRF torrent exempt, it is one decorator. What is the meaning of dispatch? For example, if I am given post, that is applicable for only post method. If I am given get, only for get. Dispatch means all CRUD operations method it is applicable. That's why I am given dispatch. So third way, project level. This one you know already. Go to settings.py, comment the middleware. This is the way, sir. Okay. Now I can follow second way because class level I want to identifying. So observe carefully. Adya. Sir, now third one. This, yeah. But third one easy, but we never use in the real time, sir. Real time, actually, you don't want to disable. Class level, method level are recommended. Class level is okay, fine. Sir, if you want to do what to do, copy this, come to here, topmost, give those two. I am given. Which class? This is the class. Inside the class, what I want to give? ఏం చెప్పిన ఇప్పుడు @ first one, what it is? Method decorator. Yes. Inside CSRF exempt, comma, name equal to dispatch. Completed. Now check the server. Okay. Now send the request. py test.py. Very good. Came, not came. Ante my request successfully go to there. Now we have to write logic. This is data how to stored into the database. Okay. So, sir, in views.py, what I did is I imported 2 lines of the code and I added just decorator only for this class, nothing. Remaining code as it is. Same code. Code, you don't do anything. Just add those 2 decorators. Send the response. And my partner application successfully contacting to the Django server. Yes or no? We are sending from here is going to test.py. One dictionary is there. This dictionary converted to JSON object. This JSON object I am using post method means contacting to the Django server successfully. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? This is not my intention. You can insert this record into database in admin panel. Then what is required? Form is required. Which form? Model form, not normal form. Model form is directly it is storing to the database. That we have to create. So now my partner application is there. From the partner application, we are sending JSON data. We are sending the JSON data to where? Django. That is the meaning here. I am running partner application in test.py dictionary converted to JSON. I am sending to where? In the Django. Now you have to validate is it a JSON data or not. Now what to do now? Grab this data and save this into the database table. Is the next story. How to do this one? Sir, how to store this data to the database table? That is the main thing. Model form we have to take and stored into the database permanently. Before that, sir, first of all, we have to check whether whatever partner application sending valid data or not. We have to validate. Like JSON data. We have to check it. Because from here, sir, if I am not converted, what will happen? Normal dictionary only. Normal dictionary, it is not a common message format. Compulsory have to send JSON data only. But how to check it whether the data is JSON data or not? How can I check it? Create a function and you have to try whether it is JSON or not. What I was doing is in test app, I am creating a file with the name, any name. I am taking utils.py file. Come to here, test app, new file, utils.py file. Yes. Now here, import JSON. Take one function def is JSON data or not. I am getting one data. Now, sir, whether it is a JSON data or not, how to check it? I am calling this function and I am passing something data. That data is which type of data? Is it a JSON data or not? Yes. If it is JSON data, how to convert that one into dictionary? P underscore dic Python dictionary equal to JSON dot loads. Loads of which one? Data. Sir, adi eppudu converted? If it is a JSON data, then only dictionary converted. If it is a normal data, it won't convert. It will get exception. So I want to give try. Try this one. If something goes wrong, except we are getting value error. Now take a variable. Yes, if it is a valid, you can mention as a true. Take a variable, any variable. If it is invalid, take another variable valid equal to false. Return that value. Return that value. What it is? Valid. Ante observe. It is my own function. This function getting some data from here. From here, I'm sending data. Whenever sending the data, if it is a JSON data, compulsory it is converted to Python dictionary, valid make it as a true. Something goes wrong, valid equal to false, that value will be returning. This is the function I created. Now here, utils.py. This is the function I created. Now, where can I use this one? Go to views.py. Where can I pass that one? I am sending data from here, sir. From here, I am sending data. I want to read that data. How to read that data means in this post method, I want to read the data. How to read the data? Request. Request dot body. No. From here, I am sending data. It will be goes to where? Django server only. From Django server, I am validating. I am receiving data. Here, requests are there? Not there. Import. Already? Yes. I am sending one request dot body. Ante whatever partner application sending data, it will be stored into which variable? Data. This data you can pass as a argument to which function? Is underscore JSON inside give data. But is JSON is available? Different class. So what I was doing is where it is available from test app dot utils import is underscore JSON. Now I am passing JSON data stored into variable valid underscore JSON. So check it here. What I was doing here, I am sending the data. That data will be reading. This is the way request.body stored into data. That one passing into the is JSON. Then I stored into variable. What is the variable? Valid underscore JSON. Now we have to check it. If it is not valid JSON, you can add the data, JSON data equal to JSON dot dumps. Give some message to the end user. Message colon, please send a valid data only, because it is not valid. When it is not valid, if it is a valid means I will get true. Not valid means false. I am sending that data. What is the data? This data. Sending. I am checking. Please provide valid data only. Now I have to return self dot. What it is? Render to HTTP response. What I want to write? JSON data. What is the status code? You have to give 400. No, sir, everything goes correct, perfect only. Okay, no problem. JSON underscore data equal to JSON dot dumps. Inside, create one dictionary. Message key value. Yes, you provided valid JSON data only. Now send this one. This is from post method. Okay, remove this line, not required. So now return self.json data. Completed. Now check it carefully. Invalid syntax where? Akada message colon. Yeah. I want to create dictionary na. Okay. Save and check it. Yes, server is running. Now observe. Sir, here test.py. Is it a valid data or not? Yes. No problem. Valid data only. Now check it. 200. You provided valid JSON data. For example, how to remove direct dictionary you can send. Sir, now observe. Is it JSON data or dictionary? Dictionary. This one will goes to where? Views.py. How it is coming? Request.body. Data is JSON data. It is coming to here. Now what is the value? False. Whenever it is false, which one executed? This. Yes, this one. Now check it carefully. Hey boss, please send a valid data only. Like that, we have to validate whether it is a JSON data or not also. Getting? So much logics are there in this one. But sir, just this is complicated 2-3 days only. After that, your life will become very simplified. Why? No. I installed REST framework. Then you won't do all this nonsense. Okay, na? You no need to write all these things. After 2-3 days, sir, I am installing REST framework. Then present, why I am telling all these complicated means, first how to write our own code without REST. That's why every time, what is my project? Without once REST came, all these nonsense not required. Everything built in is there. Then it will become very easy. Don't bother about that. Sir, first directly if I'm telling that one, no one is listening interesting. Okay. That's the first time telling own APIs. It is something little bit complicated. You can follow step by step. Easy only. Am I getting output or not? Yes. You can also follow same step by step. You will get the output. So now we're going to utils.py. After utils.py, what I did? Views. Post method. Yes. After utils dot v's dot py. This is the code. After that, sending the partner application request. Provided data, valid data. Second time, please send validate. This type of info. This is the how to validate. But that's why, sir, no one is taking this REST API classes in Amirpet. No one. You can go anywhere. Just they are telling Django classes only. Because of this much of complexity is there. But once you can habit this code and all these things in your resume, it is added advantage for your career. Definitely. Sir, I am checking valid data, invalid data. Now what to do? Final step, store this data to database. Ante. It is valid JSON. Sir, ikkada give compulsory dumps. Otherwise, next at the time of insertion, it will give invalid data. Okay? Yeah. I am checking valid, invalid. It is valid JSON data only. Get that data and save. Yes, data in database. That is the final step. Now, if you want to save that data, compulsory, what is required? Form is required. Because every time Django application, if you want to save data, I'm asking one form, number, name, everything. Which type of form? Compulsory, it should be a model form. Now, what to do? These things already you know, you are very specialized. Right click, new file. What it is? Forms.py. Write your Django code only now. This all your Django code. Forms.py. Yes. Please tell forms.py what to do. First, from Django. Django import. What is the model name? Forms. Module name. Yes. Now. Yes. Class. Employee form. Inside. Module name dot. Which form? Compulsory you can take. Sorry. Forms dot. Go. Model form. Okay. Next. Class meta. Inside which model? What is your model name? Employee. But it is available in test app dot models import employee. Yes. How to take fields? Fields equal to underscore underscore all. You know, childhood we completed the story. Model form. Same story. Copy, paste it. Form is ready. Sir, once form is ready, how to add this data? Go to views.py. Now just now I'm telling now, please send valid data, invalid data. Please tell what to do. If not valid, this is the code. Ikkada remove this. Okay. If it is valid, sir, from here onwards, yes. If it is not valid, I'm asking please send a valid data only. If it is valid, what to do? This data we are sending now. Yes. That data, which type of data it is? A JSON data. But in database, if you want to insert, it should be a normal dictionary. What to do? JSON dot loads of which one? Data stored into a normal variable. It is employee data. EMP data. Done. Yes. Once it is normal dictionary, create a form. Create a form. What is the form? Please tell employee form I am creating with which data? MP data. Sir, what is the line number 35, 36? What is the meaning of 35? JSON loads of data. Data. What is data? You got this data. What is this data? Coming from here. It is a one JSON data. Okay. This JSON data I converted to a dictionary. That dictionary I'm sending. What is employee form? Model form class name. Model form class name. Inside I am passing. Yes. So here I am converting JSON object to the dictionary. This one I am passing employee form. Just now I created na. This one employee form class. Object I created. And I'm sending into one form. Once form is ready. If form dot is sorry, idanతా Django code. If form underscore is valid. What to do? Form dot is save. Inside. Yes. Commit equal to default value true. And the data will be saved. Yes. Once it is saved, now you have to write this one. Resource created successfully. JSON data message. Resource created successfully. Return that one. Return self dot. What it is? Render to HTTP response. Inside what I can pass? JSON data. Completed, not completed. ఇదంతా కంప్లీట్ అవసరం ఇంకెందుకు ఫామ్ తీసుకున్నాంగా ఇదిగో డైరెక్ట్ మోడల్ ఐఎమ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ స్టోరింగ్ ఇన్ టు డేటాబేస్ దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ టేకెన్ ఫామ్ మోడల్ ఫామ్ ఇన్ దిస్ మోడల్ ఫామ్ మెటా క్లాస్ ఆల్ ఫీల్డ్స్ directly I can sending to this one. Sir, suppose something goes wrong. It is not dictionary data. Then what to do? I have to check with if form dot what I'm getting error. If I'm getting any errors, yes, you have to give JSON data equal to JSON dot dumps of, sir, it is form dot errors is a one dictionary. The dictionary converting into the JSON object. Return that response. Self dot render to response. JSON data. I have to set the status equal to 400. This is the way. For example, sir, at the time of validation purpose, in forms class, how to validate? For example, at the time of sending data, employee salary minimum less than 5,000. I don't want to allow. How to validate that one? Clean methods are there. Create a method def clean underscore e-salary. What is the self? Yes, what I'm given is I want to store input salary equal to. How to get that? Self dot. Sir, where it is available? Cleaned underscore data. Inside which one? Is salary. Now what is the condition? Yes, if input sal, for example, it is less than 5,000. Don't allow this. Rise is the keyword. Forms dot validation error. Forms dot idugondi validation error. Now we have to write the minimum salary should be in the 5,000. Return that input salary. Just I'm given some condition input salary. Where here outside completed story. Sir, now I am validating this code. Now observe carefully. Sir, finally server is working very good. Sir, check it here. First of all, how many records are there? I want to go with this command, yes. Copy, paste. So how many are there? 4 records are available there. Okay, done. For example, here, come to this one. Test.py. Sir, every condition satisfied, not satisfied. For example, Mallika salary I am given 2000. I want to send the request. What will happen? Py test.py. It will give left and right. But I'm not getting my employee form is not defined. Correct where views. Somewhere else I'm using employee form, but I'm not imported. From test app dot forms import save. Now check the server. Now check it. CLS pivot test. Adigonde. What they are telling? Minimum salary should be everything working, not working properly. Working. Now give salary to 20,000. Now conditions satisfied. Yes. Now check it carefully. Wow, excellent. What they're telling? Resource created 200 status. Where is the proof? You can ask. Mallika came into the picture. That is the insertion process. Post method. Sir, Marin, Mir Dinke Lantner, if I run this program, I took 3 hours time it is taken for me. Errors. One by one I am solving. Sir, for example, check it. Observe flow, sir. I removed. What will happen? Is it a valid data? No. As starting, it will be failed. Check it carefully. The complete flow. Run the program. Pivot test.py. Hey, boss. Please send valid data only. That's I'm written all that code. As first of all, validation failed. Where I'm checking validation? Is going to here utils. Is JSON valid, invalid? I'm checking. Once it is valid data, what is the second validation? Salary. Yes. Come to the test. Now, Veena. I am given salary as a 3,000. Now, give JSON dot. What is the function? Dumps of. Now, first of all, is it a valid data or not? Yes. Once it is valid data, this data I am forwarded. I am checking now is JSON data. Yes. Previously it is coming not valid. Now valid. Okay, fine. Now convert that one into dictionary form. Again, I'm validating the form, but something goes wrong in the forms. What I'm given condition? Salary. Second validation came into the picture. Hey boss, sorry. The salary should be 5,000. Okay, fine, sir. Now come to here. Give salary as a 30,000. Now first condition, valid JSON data. Second salary also okay. Everything line clear. Inserted data to database. Record resource created success. Where is the proof? Run this command. How many records are there? idigondi 6 records. Veena, Mallika, Sai Baba, these are the old data. If you want any doubt, refresh here. The table added, not added. Admin table. Admin means database only. Successfully added. Sir, only insertion, lengthy process. Delete, update, all are simple only. Insertion key, one by one, we are getting errors. We can resolve it. First one, I create post method. Check the flow. Simple only. First, I created test. I forwarded data. In the views.py, just understand purpose post method. Here, what is the problem? CSRF token. How to disable 3 ways I'm telling. Method level, class level, project. Project level never recommended. Class level I am using. Asal real time we never disable. Only here classes purpose, testing purpose I am disabling. This is the process. This one I am added. First line clear. Next, partner application sending one data to Django. Asal is it a valid JSON or not JSON? I created a file. Inside I am checking. When it is valid data, if a load data, if it is successfully converted dictionary, valid. Otherwise, invalid. That I am passing, sir, into here. It is not valid. Please send valid data. Second line, clear. Third, forms. You know this thing, how to create forms. Once the form is ready, then I am implementing views.py. In the views.py, this is the code. Post method code. Check it. Data I am reading from test.py. Now I am checking valid, invalid. If it is invalid, this code executed. No, sir, valid only. I am loaded to EMP data because this data is the JSON data dictionary. This dictionary I am sending into employee form. If it is valid, inserted successfully, something goes wrong, raise an error. Sir, how it is validating? Oh, boss, here I am written code. Where? Is going to validation code I am written or not? Clean method. This is validating. Once everything goes fine, data inserted. This much story is there for insertion purpose. Now everything ready. You need to run it. If it is valid, please provide valid. Second validation, third one. Like that, you can run it. Minimum to minimum 1 week. It will take time to run this program. Your side. Which one? Pasted na? Idigo. Starting the flow I am given. ఇదిగో పెట్టేగా లాస్ట్ లో మీరు రాయండి. ఇంకో ఫస్ట్ నుంచి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఇదిగో లాజిక్ అదే. మీరు ఎప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ వ్యూస్. అవునా? ఇదిగో ఫస్ట్ ఈ కోడ్ రాసా. ఇఫ్ ఐ రన్ ది సిఎస్ఆర్ఎఫ్ టోకెన్, తర్వాత కంటిన్యూషన్ ఐఎమ్ యాడింగ్ నాట్ యాడింగ్. ఇదిగో ఇంపోర్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఐ యాడెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ కమ్ టు ఇదిగో ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఐఎమ్ అప్డేటింగ్ వ్యూస్ కోడ్ ఆర్ నాట్ అప్డేటింగ్. ఫైనల్లీ ఇది మొత్తం ఇస్తే ఏంటంటే మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయరు. సింపుల్గా యూ నీడ్ టు కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తారు. అది వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం. ఎస్ సార్, నో. ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ ఎర్రర్స్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద కన్సోల్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్ దేర్, సాల్వింగ్. సేమ్ యూ కెన్ డూ, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ డెఫినెట్లీ. సార్, హూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ మోర్ ఎర్రర్స్, definitely you will get more programming knowledge. If it's directly running, no. Suppose if I'm getting CSRF token error, immediately am I identifying or not? That's why whenever writing program, we will get more errors. Then only we will get the logics and everything. If I will give code, this code, you can copy paste one by one, run it. It will executed output, but you are not getting anything. But once errors are getting, 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, it will take. But it is injected to your mind. Why the terror came? What is the problem? The story of today class. Online guys, are you there?
Recording
Everyone
stopped.
asking rest API na? That is the maja of REST API.